Welcome to a finish of another project, or almost the finish of another project. This project comprises of 4 roofs. We have a south array, we have a west array on the house, we also have a west array on the garage, which Bailey and Jay are currently finishing off, and we also actually have an east array, which you'll be able to see from the drone footage on the front of the garage also. So all of them arrays are connected into our 12 kilowatt inverter, and we have 3 9.04 kilowatt hour battery packs with that. This project was a little bit different in the fact that it is a new build, and people are now starting to invest in their new build homes, as I believe you all should, and put solar batteries onto them, even though, same as this property, it already had 6 panels on as standard. We've been able to integrate them 6 panels into our system, and now this home is virtually off-grid. So where do all them panels come back to? They come back to here. They come back to our 12 kilowatt SIG energy inverter with 3 9.04 kilowatt hour batteries, coupled with the ever-brilliant SIG energy gateway. So in a power cut, this property remains completely on-grid. And you'll notice it's in a garage. Now, I've always said DMH works with you and your home or your business to achieve the project that you want and you need. Now, have a take a look outside and tell me if you can see where we have dug the pathway and the gravel out. Because I certainly can't. Them flags have been up, this gravel's been up, and we have trenched between our house and our garage for them cables, and you will never tell. The only thing that you want on your roof is solar panels and maybe some roof tiles, but mainly solar panels. The one thing you don't want under them is pigeons. That's why, as a minimum, every install that DMH installs comes with bird mesh. It's held on by clips that clip around the panels, so we do not affect your panel manufacturer's warranty. Pigeons cause a massive amount of issues on the solar panels. They chew, peck wires. They also defecate under the array and make generally a terrible mess. Nobody wants pigeons on the roof, just beautiful solar panels. If you would like some beautiful solar panels for your home or business, then as always, head over to the website and fill out that contact form, and you too can have some panels on your roof protected with bird mesh from DMH.